Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel.
Baby girl, let the ice spray. Give you all what your life is.
Today I'm going to brunch with my friend Cindy, and I wanted to do something really cute, something nice and simple, but at the same time something that will look really nice in pictures, because you guys already know I love taking some nice selfies. I decided to do like a sunset type of inspired look. I did a wing liner, and for the first time I tried this eyeliner right here. It's by PATRICKSTARRR. It's called the One Size Point Made 24-hour liquid eyeliner pen, and it's in the color Bodacious Black. I'm trying this out today in my tutorial, so keep watching if you want to know how I like it, how it looks, and if it's even easy to use. But before I start this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share down below, everything that I always tell you guys to do.
Okay, so off camera I used my So Glow moisturizer, my milk primer, and my orange corrector from LA Girl Cosmetics. And don't forget to use my promo code so you can get your So Glow cosmetics. And right now I'm just doing my eyebrows, and notice that I'm doing it in an upwards motion, and this is because I love the bushy look that it gives. And now I'm taking my concealer and I'm just cleaning up my eyebrows. I'm putting it under my eyebrows and over it. And for all the names of all the products that I'm using, don't worry, I will always put it down in the description box. And now I'm using my 24-hour matte Born This Way Too Faced foundation. It is currently my favorite, and I have mine in the shade Spice Rum. And I'm just gonna blend it all out on my face, on my eyelids, on my forehead, and I'm gonna make sure to get it on my neck also, so it doesn't look like I'm wearing a mask. And now I'm going to conceal under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and the middle of my forehead with my LA Girl concealer. And I'm gonna make sure to blend, blend, blend.
Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me.
And now to set my concealer, I'm going to use my Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie. And I'm doing something different today. I'm using a brush to try to make sure that it doesn't give a harsh line while I'm doing this. In my other videos, I usually use my beauty blender, but I find that it just leaves a harsh line, so I don't want to do that. And for my contour, I'm using my Morphe Brontour in the shade SHOWMANCE, and this will give me a nice contour. Now I'm going to take the James Charles palette, and by the way, yes, that's my son's foot in the background. And I'm just going to put these colors from his palette, and I'm just going to try to make it look like a very sunset look. So as you can see in my crease, I'm putting orange and I'm adding some brown just to make it very, very sunsetish, if that's a word. Now I'm going to use my concealer to try and make a cut crease, well, a half cut crease actually. And this is something I haven't done before really, so I'm just making sure that I do this so that my eyeshadow can really pop. And now I'm setting my concealer with a lighter color. And now I'm taking a beautiful, beautiful bronze shade, and I'm putting it all over where I put that half cut crease.
You'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more.
And now I'm just gonna blend out my crease to make sure that there's no harsh lines.
Gotta go to work, but I lost track of time. 'Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't.
And now to blend out my face, I'm going to use my NYX powder foundation, and I'm just gonna make sure that everything on my face looks nice and uniform and that I get it down on my neck. And now I'm just putting some glue on my lashes to make sure that they'll be ready when I want to use them.
Talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself.
And now the moment you guys have all been waiting for, I am now going to put on the One Size liquid eyeliner pen by PATRICKSTARRR. And to be honest with you, I really love it. It was so easy to do my eyeliner. It just went on so nice and smooth, and I think this is a perfect eyeliner pen for beginners. What I love about it is the fact that wherever you put the pen, that's where the eyeliner is going to go. And what I mean by that is sometimes I'll use other eyeliners and it just smudges everywhere. But this, you have perfect control of exactly how you want your liner to be, especially if you're doing something like a wing liner, like how I'm doing right now.
Touch from your hands and your body, it hurts so much to think of you as someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me.
And now I'm going to use my Diorshow mascara to just put on my lashes so that it can blend nicely with my actual lashes that I'm going to put on.
What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me.
So I put on my lashes off camera and they are from Grey Beauty Inc. and I love them so much. Okay, so now I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills, all of the glow kits, okay, and I'm just stacking it on my face. You guys know I love a good highlight. I love to glow, everything glowy I love. And yes, my son is being himself in the background. And now I set my full face with my NYX setting spray and the makeup look is done. But if you're extra like me, I always love to have a glow in my tear ducts. So I always put some glitter eyeshadow there. But this step is really optional. And this is the finished look.
Alright, and this is the final look. I hope that you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know if there's any other looks that you guys want me to do. I really love this eyeshadow technique, the whole like cutting the crease with concealer. It's something very new that I'm doing. Usually I would just put the color directly, but I've realized that when you put the concealer, it actually makes the eyeshadow pop. So you guys can see like the eyeshadow is really popping and I love that. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and let me know what you want to see next. See you next time.
Put your faith in me.